Honey, when the last time you been to Dollar Tree? I said, when was the last time you been to Dollar Tree? Honey, you want to clock this tea. Make sure you guys are following me on all platforms. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. So Dollar Tree has these gorgeous flowers, assorted arrangement. These are $7. Absolutely love this. Honey, it is the fresh flowers for me. Then they also have roses as well. Get into it, girls. Whatever color you're looking for. Red, yellow. Ooh, child. They also have the white ones, the pink ones. Ooh, and they looking so fresh. These are $3. Honey, you know you're rocking with the best. Don't play with them. Honey, when I tell you, they out here showing out. And you may say, oh, Dollar Tree, honey, Dollar Tree is showing out. Check this out. Honey, name brand is giving. It's giving off name brand. Dollar Tree have the Rampage, okay, women's mid cruise socks. You get 6 pairs for $6. I absolutely love this because that definitely means $1 a pop, okay. And the thickness, you know, I like me a good sock. You get what I'm saying? A fancy sock, not a smegular regular sock, but it is the brown and the green and the blue for me, honey. Hello, love this. Now they also have these waffle looking socks, these cone socks, ice cream cone looking socks. Now these are $6 as well. Love it. Now these are giving a little grandma-ish, okay? And I know my hair is gray, okay? Sway my way. Now these, I would get these depending on what type of, you know, shoes I'm throwing on with these. So now they also have the regular smuggler ones, the gray and the black and the white ones. Love this. Honey, these are definitely given. That you're looking for fancy, bougie. Ooh, at the Dollar Tree. Oh, yes, honey. We just rocking and you just rolling, rocking and rolling with the best. Oh, child, honey. Okay. Look at these amazing finds at Dollar Tree. Looky cookie. Ooh, child. These are so fancy. These are $1.50. They are definitely given what needs to be given, honey. Absolutely love this. You can put things in here like vinegar. And I know maybe your grandmama or your granddaddy used to put some whiskey and bourbon in it. But honey, you can use this for mouthwash. You can use this for vinegar, for dish detergent, whatever your fancy heart desire. Can I let you in on a little secret between you and I? Dollar Tree, these plates I'm about to show you, they going down to $1. Shh, check this out. So you see these bowls and the plates and the saucers, these supposed to be going down to $1, honey, not $1.50, $1, because they're already $1.50. Now I absolutely love these. This is definitely given Coco. Now I love Coco. The movie, the Disney movie, oh my goodness, honey, is a still deal like Holyfield. Now they also have these. I absolutely love these. These are so gorgeous. Now you don't eat off of these because these are chargers, okay? Now you put the plates on top of here, okay, to give their aesthetic look. Now they come in different colors. They have the black, they also have the gold. Ooh, and child, this is giving classy, McClassy. Love this. $1.50. Honey, if you're a person that's just hot all the time, did you guys happen to see this? This is the neck fan. Comes in different colors. Checky. Dollar Tree has the neck fans that comes in 3 different colors. Now, this is definitely a new color. Absolutely love this blue. Oh my goodness, it's giving fancy, pantsy, mancy, looking like Lancy. They have the black, the blue, and also the white. These are $5. Can I show you something fancy? Ooh, did you guys see this? Now, this is fancy. This is the dimmable LED lamps. Oh, child, I absolutely love this. And the fact that they come not in one color, but they also come in black as well. Love that. This is absolutely gorgeous. Why? Now, touch control lamp. These are battery operated. Absolutely wonderful. So since you're a fancy one, you know, I just got to show you the fancies out in these Dollar Tree streets. Honey, check this out. Ooh, shit. So Dollar Tree has the face wash, everyday face wash, vitamin infused, vitamin C, vitamin B3. This is for all skin types, $1.25. Now, another amazing item is only one left, but when I tell you, it smells amazing. Now, this is lavender scent. This smells so good. You looking for a name brand? Oh yes, Dollar Tree is out here moving and grooving. Check this out. Yes, honey. So when I tell you they moving and grooving, this is called the Deep Woods Bar Soap. Well, that's the scent of it. All right, I like this scent. You know, it's not overbearing or anything like that. This is a hydrating moisturizer. Vitamin infused magnesium biotin. This is $1.25. Normally they go retail for $5. Love this. Really, really good. This is a shimmering body oil from Global Beauty. Oh my, looky cookie. So if you guys happen to come across this, you may want to grab you a few. So I heard you was looking for something for the little ones. Okay, and I said, looky cookie. I said, you know, I got you. And that's word to the mother and the brothers. Honey, check this out. You want to see a fancy? You want to see it? Because I know you do. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the Happy Hero Immune Guard gummies, mixed fruit and flavor, vitamin C and zinc. You get 14 gummies for $1.25 for the little ones. Oh, child likes this. And then they also have Happy Heroes Vision Guard gummies. This is grape and plus lutein, eye health and vision protection, sugar free. You get 14 of these for $1.25. Win. Happy Heroes Brain Boost gummies, omega-3 DHA. This has focus, memory, and cognitive support. Love this. Now, I'm going to only ask you this once, Linda, okay? Did you see this, right? So Dollar Tree new, by the way. This is the scrub free with OxyClean. Honey, now I don't know about you, but when I'm moving and grooming, when I'm cleaning, oh, I got a jam. Okay, I got to put the music on loud. You know how your mama used to do back in the day with them oldies but goodies songs, okay? Now, this is absolutely fantastic. You want to know how much they want for this? $3. Oh, yes. Now, this is an all-purpose cleaner plus OxyClean, household cleaner, and deodorizer. Yes. So Dollar Tree has, you know how they always have like the hair mask. They have this 2-pack hair mask. Now, nourishing coconut oil. This is a conditioner treatment. They also have the argan oil. This is a conditioning treatment as well. Brain Terry. I think they sell this as, is it Saks? Honey, don't get me the lying. All right, now this is a 2-pack, $1.25. Now, if you gorgeous gals are looking for a heat protectant, Dollar Tree said, oh, look no further. We have it. This is for all hair types, Pro Vitamin B5, grapeseed extract, and then they also have the rice water. Ooh, yeah, I love it. Hair shine and mist. Lies, this $1.25. When I tell you they showing out, honey, I told you they showing out at Dollar Tree. Multi-purpose, multi-surface wipes. All right, now plant source fibers. This is $1.50. 30 wipes. This scent is dragon fruit and jasmine scented. Love this. Honey, get into the packaging. You know, it's just giving something like, you know, green. You get what I'm saying? Like biodegradable or something. Now, I didn't say these are biodegradable, but you get what I'm saying. In fact, you cannot flush these, okay? Just FYI for your info. Now, other items that I absolutely know that are fancy is the multi-surface wipes. These, oh my goodness. So you get 30 wipes for $1.50. Ooh, honey, eucalyptus and lemon verbena. I think that's how you pronounce it. Paraben free and dye free. Ooh, honey. You better get your groove on. You get what I'm saying, honey? You better get your groove. Did you see these novelty glasses? I absolutely love these. Now, these are $1.50. Honey, yes, I did wear these to my children's school. Yes, I did. These watermelon ones, honey, you fancy. You on designer level. Okay, whatever level that is. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the pineapple ones. These are so cute. The watermelon ones. They also have the shark. I absolutely love these. These are the popsicle like that. And they also have the flamingos. Oh, yes, get into it, honeys. Now, these are $1.50. Absolutely fantastic. So, if you gorgeous folks are looking for, these are so cute. Mini candle lanterns. Yes, these are $1.25. Absolutely fantastic. They come in two different colors. They have the black. Oh, yes, honey, that's what it's at. And then they also have the white. Oh, chill, give it $1.25. Hey lovelies, so it is the extra soft for me. Oh yes, girl, you're probably like, Dina, what are you talking about now? Honey, check this out. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this. So Dollar Tree has the cozy color modern threads pet beds. Now, when I tell you that these are so soft, oh my goodness, they was not lying when they said extra soft. These are so cozy. Love this. And it is definitely the pink for me. So to the ones that have the fur friends, honey, you better come on to Dollar Tree and get you a pet bed, all right? These are $5. Absolutely fantastic. One time for the one time. You know, they just showing out all the way out. Listen, Annie's, I said, oh my goodness. Now, if you don't know, Annie's, they sell at Whole Foods. Yes. So, this is the Mickey shaped pasta and French pasta and cheddar. Love this. $1.25. Ooh, just rocking with the best. So, to my DIY lovers, you better come and stop by at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has their glue guns, and I seen the minis, but honey, look at the pennies. Now these, of course, it's not a penny. I just said that because, you know, it rhymes. These are premium glue guns, crystal clear. These are $7. Oh, honey, for the winning win. This is for the DIY girlies.